Hello guys, welcome to Basic Mathematics, where I don't rush, I don't skip steps, and I don't complicate things. Okay, we've looked at rule 1 and rule 2. So today's question is a combination of rule 1 and rule 2. Okay, so like the video, share the video, and also subscribe and follow the channel. Okay, let's go there. This question, we are asked to find our V and W, okay? We've looked at rule 1 and rule 2, okay? Rule 1 says angle in a semicircle is what? 90 degrees. Now observe this. This is a semicircle, right? Angle in a semicircle is what? 90 degrees. That means here is 90 degrees. So sum of angle in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So that is what I'm going to use to find my V. You see, very simple. So let's go there. I'm going to add this plus this equal to what? 180. So I have V plus 90, this angle based on rule 1. Angles in a semicircle is 90 plus 52 equal to 180 degrees. Okay, sum of angles in a triangle. That's the principle why we are using 180 here. Okay, so let's proceed. We are going to add this. Okay, so I'm going to add V plus 90 plus 52. This is going to give me 142 equal to 180. Right, good. So I will rearrange, carry 142 to this side. My V is equal to 180 minus 142. So my V is equal to 38 degrees. You see, my V is 38 degrees. Okay, very simple. Now to solve for our W, you have to study the angles around this W. Now, this is my tangent here, right? Good. So this point here is what? A radius. So that means from here like this to this point here, not outside here, to this point here, from here like this is 90 degree, right? But my angle W is an angle also outside. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to add this small angle V here plus the angle tangent to a cycle, which is 90 degree, plus W equal to 180. Okay, so let's go there. I have my V plus W plus 90 equal to 180. Okay, good. You know that my V is 38. We've calculated for that. So I have 38 plus W plus 90 equal to 180. Okay, so I'm going to add 38 plus 90. That is going to give me 128, right? Plus W equal to 180. Okay, so I'll collect like terms. My W is equal to, carry 180 this side, 180 minus 128. So my W is equal to, this will give me 52 degrees. Okay, you see, very simple. Okay, so in cycle geometry, expect a question that will require you to apply rule 1, rule 2, and many other rules that we are yet to look at. Okay, so don't just hold one rule and stay with it. Always remember the basic rules. All right, so like the video, share the video, and stay back with me for another interesting question. Okay, we are going